Which of Saturn's 145 moons is the most habitable one? Hello there, everybody. Today we're going to be discussing about the planets of our solar system and their moons. Let's start from the planet closest to the Sun, which is Mercury. Mercury can be considered a lonely planet because of it having no moon. It is a terrestrial planet which is not the hottest planet despite being the closest to the Sun. Well, the hottest planet title belongs to Venus, which is next on our list. Venus has quite a dense atmosphere, which makes it the hottest planet. The temperature on Venus can rise up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Venus has quite a dense atmosphere, which makes it the hottest planet. Venus has no moons. It is suspected that Venus may have had moons in the past. We have had moons in the past which would have collided with the planet, causing complete destruction of the moons. It is quite obvious that the habitability of Venus is extremely low. Third up is our home planet, Earth. I don't think we need to question the habitability of this planet. I mean, like, we're living on this planet. Although it is becoming less and less habitable as every day goes by, well, it is our fault at the end of the day. Our planet has one natural satellite, which is the moon. Yeah, I know, not so cool of a name. Boo. Okay, Mars. Mars is our next planet. It has a reddish color due to the iron oxide dust in the soil. It has two moons, which are Phobos and Deimos, which are quite oddly shaped, if you may ask. I mean, like, compared them with other moons, they're shaped weird, okay? These moons were discovered in 1877. Out of all the planets in our solar system, Mars is considered to be the most habitable one, after Earth, of course, due to its position in our solar system. Jupiter, our next planet, which is a gas giant with 95 moons. That is quite close to a century, if you ask. It is the biggest planet of our solar system. It is almost 1,000th time the mass of the Sun. Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto are the largest moons of Jupiter, which can also be considered the most habitable. They contain underground oceans of liquid water that can possibly sustain life. The other targets of ESA, the European Space Agency, which will soon launch programs for the exploration of the moons of Jupiter. Jupiter's moon Ganymede also holds the title for the largest moon of the solar system. Saturn, which is the second largest planet in our solar system, also the only one with the majestical rings. Of course, Saturn has 145 moons, which is a lot. I mean, a lot. It gained 62 more moons in the May of 2023. Saturn also contains the second largest moon of our solar system, which is Titan. Titan is so big that it is bigger than most of the dwarf planets. Titan's rivers, lakes, and seas of liquid methane might serve as a habitable environment on its surface. But yeah, it's still habitable for humans, though. It might be habitable, but not for us, no. Uranus, which is an ice giant, whose name I still can't pronounce without having to laugh. I mean, like, the people at NASA, y'all could really use some help, because, like, who the hell names these things? Anyhow, back to our topic. The seventh planet from the Sun has 27 moons. Most of the planet is made out of water, ammonia, and methane. Its environment is not conducive to life, as we know it. Of course, like, due to the cold environment, I don't think we got a debate on that. Come on. Moving on, Neptune, the furthest known planet in the solar system. It is the fourth largest planet of our system. It is also another ice giant, which has a total of 14 moons. This planet is possibly the least habitable. I mean, come on, the furthest away from the Sun, super cold. I don't think you can survive going on this planet. I mean, like, there is literal no surface for you to even step upon, so why even talk about it being habitable? Like, okay, anyhow, that would be it for today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I know that, like, not many people are even gonna watch this one, but yay, I wanted to make this one for some reason. My mind really wanted me to do this. So, not my mind, my heart. I don't know what I'm talking about at this point. So I hope you all liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to. I'll see you in the next one. Oh my god, this is 5 minutes long. Who's gonna edit this? Hold up. No. Okay, bye!